Hi everybody, many people are asking about Hund's rule. Let us discuss about Hund's rule in this video. According to Hund's rule, electron pairing in orbitals starts only when all available empty orbitals of the degenerate orbitals are singly occupied. Is nothing but. So first of all, the electrons will enter into lowest energy level. If we consider degenerate orbitals, all are having same energy. Let us discuss examples. C6, 6 is carbon atomic number and O8, 8 is atomic number of oxygen. So let us see how the electrons will be enter into orbitals. First of all, write the electron configuration of carbon, that is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p, 2n. So first two electrons will enter into lowest, which is lowest energy level of 1s. Then two electrons will be possible to occupy or hold into this 2s orbital. Then next two extra two electrons will be present in the p orbital. So 1s2 is nothing but two electrons will be hold in the s orbital like with the opposite spin, and 2s2 also having same like that with along with opposite spin. Then come to p orbital, like 2p orbital. P orbital will be splitting into three degenerate orbitals in the presence of electromagnetic field. That's what here you can write 2px and 2py and 2pz. Then only but here three orbitals will be there, but even though only extra two electrons will be present in the carbon. That's what those two electrons will be first singly occupied this degenerate orbital. So 2pz completely with the empty orbital, okay, in the according to Hund's rule, but it will be different in the excited state. Now come to here oxygen. Oxygen electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Then let us see, 1s2 has same like along with the opposite spin, and 2s2 also same like that opposite spin. Two electrons will be hold in the 2s2 orbital also. Again come to p orbital. P orbital again split into px, py and 2px and also 2py and 2pz. Then four electrons are there. Four extra electrons are like present in the 2p orbital. That's what first of all three electrons will be enter or like occupies into this three degenerate orbitals which are having same energy or equal energy. Extra one electron will be present in the 2p4 orbital. It will be starts pairing of this 2px orbital, 2px degenerate orbital. That is the difference between carbon and oxygen electronic configuration. Excited state, let us see how the electron configuration will be changes. Excited state, and this one is ground state. So excited state, there is no change in the 1s2 orbital. Then 2s2 and again 2p xy xz like that, same as 2s2 and 2px, 2py and 2pz orbital. So then in the excited state what happened, the electrons will be first singly occupied all degenerate orbital, then starts pairing. So actually second orbit contains 2 plus 2 4 electrons. Then these 4 electrons will be enter into these three degenerate orbitals along with the 2s2 only. First the electron will be enter into 2s2 orbital because it is compared to 2s and 2p orbitals. Then 2s2 has lowest energy level. That's what the electron first occupies, or the first will enter into 2s2 orbital. Okay. Now come to this oxygen electronic configuration in excited state. So 1s2 is no change because it has very low, like lowest energy level, and 2s2 and 2p4. Let us see how it will be changes. So here two electrons will be enters or like occupies along with the different spin. And first of all take here, see 2 plus 4 second orbit contains 2 plus 4 like 6 electrons. So the number of electrons which are present in the outermost orbit is called valency electrons. So here how many valency electrons are there? 6 valency electrons. That's what. First of all the electrons will be occupies in the singly. Okay, then starts pairing. So 4 electrons enters there, and 2 plus 4, 6 valence electrons are there. Then starts pairing 2s2, and again here 2p4, like 2px1, 2px, 2py, and 2pz orbitals. Then how many here? 5 over. Then starts pairing here. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So here we can write also, we can write 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. So this is the difference between excited state and ground state electronic configuration. And moreover, that's what here the carbon valence is +4 always. Because of this, maybe it will lose, or like sharing of this, or sharing or gaining of these 4 electrons. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 occupies, like 4 vacancies will be there in these orbitals. Okay, and come to this oxygen, always gets -2 only valency, because of 2 empty like unfilled, or like what is that, half filled orbitals will be present here. That's what oxygen valency is -2.